Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Patricia, but you can call me Trish. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I absolutely love making food for my daughter Ava. She's 11 months now, but she is a foodie and she loves to eat. And on my Instagram, I share a lot of different food recipes and different food ideas for moms that may not know what to cook for their baby. So on this channel, I hope to share more with all of you. And surprisingly, a lot of y'all like watching her eat, so there's going to be some of that too. Let's get into the tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to make healthy peanut butter and banana oat pancakes. First, I'm starting off with 1 cup of oats. You can purchase oat flour at the store, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make it at home. Just add a cup of oats to a blender, and you're just going to blend until you get a fine flour-like consistency. Next, I add 2 bananas, peel them, and place them in my large mixing bowl. This is completely up to you, but I personally like when my bananas are really ripe because they give off that very sweet taste. And babies can't have a lot of sugar, so this is the perfect way to get that sweet flavor and that taste without the added sugar. As you can see, I'm mashing the bananas until I get the desired consistency that I want, and then I'm going to add 2 eggs to the bowl and mix the banana and the eggs together until they're very well combined. So now that I'm done mixing, I'm going to add that oat flour to the mix as well as some cinnamon. I didn't measure the cinnamon. I think this is totally up to you. If you want to add more, go for it. And now I'm just going to mix all of that together. For the last step, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. You can use any peanut butter of your choice, and again, totally your preference. If you want to add more peanut butter, go for it. And I'm just going to mix the peanut butter into the mix. Next, I added a little bit of plant-based butter to the pan, and I'm gonna get started on these pancakes. So listen, please do not judge me on my pancakes. I know they look a little deformed, but listen, it gets the job done, it'll work. And I'm just gonna be cutting these very small for Ava anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So now that the pancakes are bubbling and the sides are browning, I'm just going to go ahead and flip and flip again. And I'm just going to let these cook for maybe 1 to 2 more minutes. So to be very honest, I think I made these pancakes a little bit bigger than what I normally do. I think that the first set were an ideal size for Ava, but it honestly doesn't matter because I cut them up into small pieces as you see right here. Is it good? 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 She loves these pancakes. Oh yeah. Slow down, baby. Slow down. Oh, y'all thought this was just for babies? Oh no, I went ahead and made me a plate and I topped it off with some chopped walnuts, some sliced bananas, and drizzled some maple syrup. And this was an amazing meal. I feel like it's just like so family friendly. Everyone can enjoy it, including the baby. So definitely 10 out of 10, I would recommend. Y'all have to try this, okay? This recipe, I was able to make 8 pancakes. Of course, if you make your pancakes smaller, you'll be able to make more. But once you're done and you don't know what to do with them, go ahead and just put them in a Ziploc bag and store them. Store them in the freezer or store them in the refrigerator for 3 days. And when you don't feel like cooking, just go ahead and pop them in the microwave and you're good to go. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at callmetrishfit. On my Instagram, I have a highlight called Fresh Baby Food, and this is where I just share so many of my different food ideas. So please check that out. And also, I want to say thank you so much for tuning into my first YouTube video. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye!